this is Kushi. As you already got the idea from the title of the video that today's video is going to be like a different kind of video. Means in this video I have covered my whole preparation like of while preparing my project. It was a mandatory for every student in our college to like have to prepare a MIS community engagement report. This is basically in this report what we needed to get done is हमें कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को जो था अपने नियर बाय में या फिर समवन जो नीडी पीपल हैं उनको हमें मेंटोर करना था. लाइक द मैक्सिमम जो थे मिनिमम कम से कम 5 या 4 स्टूडेंट होने चाहिए थे एंड मैक्सिमम इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू कि हाउ मेनी पीपल यू आर गोइंग टू टीच टू whom. Like this project was truly very important for everyone because if we don't get it complete on time and submitted our reports to the college, then so they are not providing our final year deal. So I have recorded the whole journey, like from planning to executing and to submitting it. So yes, go and check the video. Hope you all have a great time here. So this was the basic outlines that our college has provided us. Like in this they have mentioned what we need to get done and what not, how many pages are required, how many students are there needed to be mentored by from our side, and how do we need to submit it. Just the basic outlines these all are. Then after that what I did was first I divided the whole project into few subtopics, like writing down their main headings and the pages as well, ki how many pages I'm going to dedicate for which topic and till what. Then I took help of a ChatGPT by giving it all the prompts, names, the mentors and all those students whom I am mentoring, and ChatGPT really helped me a lot during that time. Then after that I prepared the cover page and all by adding those logos and so on more things. Then added the content which was required, which is of like 25 pages का है. एंड मेरा बस अपेंडिसेस जो है जो कि प्रूफ्स वगैरह होते हैं जो डॉक्यूमेंट को मैं सपोर्ट करें, आई हैव टू ऐड दैट एंड फ्यू पिक्चर्स. सो येस, इसके बाद आई एम डन विद दैट एज वेल. एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट मैंने अपने इंटर्नशिप के को रिज्यूम करने के लिए भी लाइक मेल डाल दिया है टू माई मैनेजर एंड यू कैन सी द रिपोर्ट हियर. Only this part is left, like I am going to dedicate 2 pages of appendices in which I am going to add all those relevant images which supports my documents. And yes, it was like a kind of intense, but yes, again the ChatGPT makes it more easier and helped me to organize my thoughts accordingly. You can see it was a lot, like literally I had been a lot through whole report. It was a nice experience, and though I thought I won't be able to made it, like it was kind of a unachievable task for me, and but still we do something that most of the time surpass even our own expectations, and we meet the like we achieve the desired goal which always we aspire for, and we all should be lucky for that. This is a report, like I genuinely wasn't like expecting this much from my side, but you can see I am here almost done with my reports. So yeah, will like show you the pictures as well after adding those in the appendices or a part. Like I'm currently figuring out my pictures which I have clicked with my cousins or my brother and sisters. Will let you know how it all goes. This is how I am going to add the images, like Kunal, Alisha and Fruity and Tamanna. Like Kunal में I have decided to add these 3 relevant pictures जिसमें I am teaching him science, then maths and then one a thumbs up वाला pic. Then उसके बाद I have one like a group kind of a call online meeting with Alisha, so I am going to add that screenshot as well. And with Fruity I have met her like for the discussing about the colleges, and then उसका एक admission letter है which I have edited, which she has provided along with that all confidentiality maintained. So guys, here I am all set, like all done by adding all those required appendices, like all the supporting documents which was approving me by saying that yes, really I did mentor the students. Like I had mentor about four, and which was a minimum, but yes, I did so. And these are the basic posters. Basically, I took this from the net, and yes, this was a content and all from my side, but I genuinely put my all soul into it, and let's see how the things will happen. And I'm truly blessed that I finally made it. Because I was thinking I won't be able to get it done because it was completely different for me and it was a new experience. But all I would say, it was a great to be, like, completing it. To be honest, I have never thought that these are the consequences, कह सकते हैं कि I would face in my future when I was changing my stream from completely science student to BBA. But I am finally making all my decision worth it. And yes, this was it from my side. Hope you all have a great time here. Bye bye. Meet you soon in the next video.
Uno,